this, aren't they, Simon?
Hello everyone.
We love Asa. He's working on a, what is it? Cloverleaf Julia. Right, look at this legend. Morning, Dave. Let's get your badge. DNL.
DNL, on the case.
There you go. Look at that. Get on his website and get some. Do you have a website?
No, not yet.
Or get on the phone with him. Just ring him like I do about 15 times. So this is going in. This is where my scissor lift was. Just putting in my new ramp. I'm going to go get a vehicle. I've got, look at this. Look at this, legends. Don't disturb him. He's talking. Legend Karl Williams is coming to coach us today. Right, I'm going to get a vehicle now. I'm going to pull it in. Whoa, we're loving it. Carbon fibre. It's a Ferrari engine, isn't it?
No.
The Ferrari engine. Oh, it is a beauty. 510 horsepower of Italian muscles. Just had to turn the radio down so I can show you what's going on in here. Because I always have to turn the radio down. So up there, right, my arm's out long and I'm not very tall, so I'm just going to take the fifth injector out and put a new one in and do a DPF regen. But this van's had loads and loads of work. It's had new lower arms, it's had a new sump, new drop links on it. It's had loads of good work. It's getting tidy. Needed some love. Let's love it. Right, so Dave from DNL. Let me just see my sticker. There you go. DNL garage equipment. Come in. Absolutely smash this out. Perfect. Great job. Love it. We got this one in from a local company. NOx and particulate matter sensor. Where's my sensor gone? Has Jack got it? Jack's got it. Anyway, I'm going to get this to bend down. Look at what kind of nice job that's going to be. The threads are no longer threads. They're just a mushy bit of metal. So, let's go over here now. Let me put the torch back up so I don't remember what I'm doing. Because I keep on forgetting what I'm doing. Look what little Simon's doing. Little, same size as me.
Hello everyone.
Hello everyone.
How are we?
Right, so this one's coming for a coolant leak. Showing a coolant leak, Simon. Oh.
I think it's a bit broken. But there's oil residue inside it.
So my hands are reasonably clean. Watch this. As oil.
Oily.
In the coolant. I think it's dead.
Either the head gasket or oil cooler.
Yeah, has it got any, oil cooler? Yeah, because EJ won't do that.
No.
So it's got to be,
Oil levels on the minimum.
I will be. He's got none in it.
None in it.
But I don't know if you can see in there. That's not an oil reservoir. That's meant to be a coolant reservoir. Sugar. Oh, wait, it's around my hand. There's Jack there. Right there.
Oh, is this one with black coolant?
Yeah, black coolant one. That's okay. So, looks like it's going from oil to coolant. I just unclip that one, Simon.
And just see what it's like.
And just see what's going on in there. And if it's got full of oil, all the pipes need to... That's dead squishy.
That's what oil does.
Go on, get your pliers, quick. That's dead. Ugh. There's Jackie boy, he wants me for something. Oh no. Oh no, Jack.
Oh, no.
we got... Right, come on. Let's do it.
Pop him back in.
Neil put me in the eye hole.
What are you putting your eyes near the end of it for?
Yeah, nice little pliers.
Aren't they?
Me gimbal's gonna say it's too close soon. That's not been off ever, has it?
Nope.
Oh, you're gonna catch it in there? Oh.
Ooh.
Oh. Right, so, yeah, that one. There is a coolant oil situation.
That's not good.
Oh no. Happy Friday, everyone. Oh, don't forget click like and subscribe as well, innit? Innit, Jack?
Round there, isn't it?
It's round here, innit? Like and subscribe with my dirty fingers. Latest taters. So I've just been speaking to Jack, right? We've got this NOx sensor, which is the correct number from the part number. So the part number is here. We've got part number, correct part number in the box, correct part number in the vehicle, etc. I've took out the particulate matter sensor, and the part number is here, which is 4633. Is that the one? 4633294. 4632294. The part that I got out of the box. Thanks, Stellantis. Is, I don't know if you can see. Look at that. It's 463497780. That's not that number. Or that number. So the parts department's done a great job. It's just Fiat, Lancia, and Alfa. Never mind. Anyway, I'm going to start tapping at home. So it's not them, it's me. No, it's not me, it's them. I just banged my finger and crushed it between there. Oh yeah, making me swear. I can't reach. That should be pretty much on ball there. Oh yes. Very good. Right, what size is that? 22.
Are you having a mocker?
I'll have a mocker, please.
Hello, camera.
Hello, camera. It's Alfie. Look, it's Alfie. Can we say hello, Alfie?
Oh, I'm coming. Hi, loves. You all right?
Tell them what you've been up to, Alfie.
I've been in office. Oh, been in office. Mint me.
Why have you been in the office, Alfie?
Because I needed help in the office.
Yeah, man. We do need help in the office, so he's been part of the team. Yeah. Team whacking.
Team whacking. That's what we call it nowadays.
3, 2.
Jeez.
Oh, I pulled a muscle in my neck. That's gonna break.
That one's a bit tiny, isn't it?
What I need to do, cut the NOx, put a circle around it.
Do you know where your cup is?
My cup is in the brew room if I'm brewing it. Yeah, that's where. Oh dear. It's all unplugged, so I don't mind cutting it. If it was plugged in, I would unplug it, so just in case any CAN networks wanted to short circuit. Right, you ready? Are we ready? Got me some laser tools, proper good. Everyone needs one. With these, you just got to take the threads. There's no option. I hope you like the grunting and groaning, darlings. can feel it taking threads out. Oh, I'm going to be a mechanic instead. Easy, I don't know what you're whinging at. It's like 27 degrees today as well. At least if I ripped up for my holiday next week. Someone at the door. There we go. Wonder if I can focus on it. So it's picked up on the threads there. So got a M20 by 1.5. I've just used my M20 2.5 to do the rear knocks, and now I'm going to do this front one. The rear, particulate matter sensor. I'll now get this in here and I'll get it tapped out. See ya! So I've shown you the threads. I've now started my tap. I thought, you know what, I'll show you this as well. Wait, let me get my camera set up here. Can I put it there? No, I've got to have it there. Up here. I think you can see. I find this dead good, you know. It's like therapeutic. I was taught in my apprenticeship how to tap. And I've just enjoyed it ever since. I'm too high up. Let me wrap my mountain down a bit. Oosh. Whoa. That's heavy, that. Right. Let me show you. So look, get me tapping. I wish I could put my camera there, it'd be dead interesting. But I can't. So I have my camera there. I'm gonna see it. Yeah. Yeah. I just love it. I don't know. I just love it. I don't think clever enough to not love it. Sorry, Snap-on. Your ratchet spanner's a bit rubbish. I'm not dangling off it, honestly, Mr. Kenny Peters, my Snap-on dealer. Honestly, I've not dangled off this ratchet one bit. Anyway, you can get the gist. I'm going to turn this off. If you're bored of watching me for like 2.5 minutes trying to get a tap in, later taters. And I think that's it. I've just, tell you the truth, everyone went home about 20 minutes ago. I just sat on the chair in the office. I just had 5 minutes snooze. I feel a lot better now. Right, Friday afternoon, done. We've had the new ramp put in by DL Garage Equipment, and I've moved my toolboxes over from, that one was there and that one was diagonal because I had a trolley over here and my other box was next door. So I've had to move a few things around this afternoon. Let's have a recap. There was this camper van with the NOx and particulate matter sensor, which are seized in. I've tapped them out. They're done. Door's locked. There was a scissor lift there. Let me go next door. everything's turned off. Might show you a video on the way home of what my afternoon walk's going to look like. I've got to drop a car off. So in here next door, that's the van. I changed the fifth injector out of. A race car's being out. There's some race suspension. Where is it? Some crash race suspension bits there. Race car's being out. Scissor lift is now under the race car. So that's going to live there. That race car is going to come out. Scissor lift is going to go over here in the next week or so. And then eventually this roof's going to go and we're going to have another ramp here. So it's all moving forward, you know. It's all a bit crazy. We've had Karl Williams, our business development coach, coming for full day. He's interviewed all of our staff except for 2 because they're not in today, but he's coming back over. That's been going on in the training room. Training room's all lovely. So I'm coming in, turn my lights out. And what a lovely day. Chippy Friday, everything. I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna drop a car off. I might show you me walk home, but if I don't, thank you for everyone who supports me. It's not just about watching the videos. It's about, you know, giving back, innit? Giving your special bit of time to watch my videos. It's something I want to share. I want to show you that for one, motor vehicle isn't what you think it is. Most jobs are quite challenging. Things break. A lot of things break. Components aren't built like they used to. What else goes on? Dealing with people. That's a massive part. The industry has changed. The people within it have changed. You know, when I was doing my apprenticeship, you know, you was ready for a clout. Let me just lock this off. Like that. Right, so you've got the industry which has changed in a whole. What else is there? I don't know. Can't remember. I just completely lost track. Right, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go home. I've got my Tupperware dishes, but I need to take home for Sam, but I'll take them home on Monday. She'll give me telling off for not bringing them. What else is there? Yep, going to get locked up. If I show you my walk home across the backfield, great. I can have a little chat with you. If I don't, I say thank you so much for watching my videos. I've met some incredible people yesterday at Auto Mechanica. And I spoke to Bob on the way home as well. Bob from RMS. If you're not on Bob's YouTube channel, get on there. Bob from RMS Diagnostics. He is next level of diag. He can read a wiring diagram like I can talk broken biscuits. You know, I've got my skills. He's got his skills. Talking to Baz Meredith, love him to pieces. Jimmy O'Reilly, he was there. Spoke to Pippa as well. That was really interesting, you know. She wants to get into the industry, and she's in it. She wants to build a successful career on it. What else? Don't know. I'm going on holiday next week. Right. Love you all. Take care. If I show you more of a video when we walk home, fantastic. If I don't, don't forget to like and subscribe. Later, taters.